So this is the Chinese baitcaster that I bought, and it's been working really well. But look, I was using it in the rain tonight. You might even still be able to see some of the rain on it. It's suddenly gone all, look at that, it doesn't want to work. Back that off. Something is amiss in there. So you can open up the side like that, I believe, and that comes out. It's got 12 bearings in it. I've been I think it's falling to bits. Something doesn't sound right, does it? I might have to take it all apart. Something doesn't sound right. Anyway, I've been using it for some perch fishing and sort of light pike fishing, and it seems to have been working pretty well actually, except for getting it completely soaking wet tonight and this happening. But it's knackered basically, isn't it? Look. So I'm going to take it apart and see what's going on inside it.